This is the breakfast of champions in France. This is snails cooked in garlic butter with salt. It's missing the parsley. Excuse me, it's winter. We didn't get it. And if you want hot sauce, I have here homemade, over here out, homemade avocado salsa from Mexico. I also have my own hot oil that I made with oil and chilies. Bon appetit.
One aspect of this snack that I really love is the fact that it's snails. Snails, a very unhurtful way to eat another animal, providing with protein and
Sustainable too.
sustainable.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And that's why our #1 vote goes for eating snails.